Okay, and for your hand, children.
A very good morning, you all. Now, children, today I am having one surprise for you. Are you all ready? Chalo, we will start with the surprise. Now, I am having my friend. You want to know who is my friend? Yes. Just close your eyes for 2 minutes. Come on, come on, come on, everybody. Come on, come on. Close your eyes. All are very good children. Yes. Now, see. I am having my friend. Who is he? You know his name. His name is Kathy. Kathy the crocodile, and he is my friend. So, how are you, Kathy? He said he's fine. Now, he's come to meet you all. Okay, dear children. But, children, what what did he like? So, he like he like only bigger numbers. He likes to eat only bigger and bigger numbers. Now I will show how it is. Now see, I am having here uh, what it is. You only tell me your favorite thing. Yes, yes, these are lollipops. And this Cathy, he likes to eat lollipops. But I have already told you what is this problem. He likes to eat only bigger and bigger number. Only to those numbers he will open his mouth. So let us see, children. Okay, now Kathy, just show our children. Now see, in my hand, I am having here uh, 4 lollipops. Wait a minute, children. I am having here I am having 4 lollipops in my hand, and my friend is having 2 lollipops. And this cat, he is very, very hungry. He's very hungry. So, children, where he will open his mouth? Now, these are 4 lollipops and these are 2 lollipops. So, you tell me, children, where this cat will open his mouth? Here, towards 2 lollipops or towards 4 lollipops? Yes, dear children, you all are very good. Kathy will open his mouth towards bigger number of lollipops. He will open his mouth towards 4 lollipops. Yes, no, you can see. See, he will open his mouth towards bigger number of lollipops. Okay, we will take one more example. Okay, dear children. Now, Suppose now I am having here in my hand 3 lollipops, or okay, I will take only 2 lollipops. I will take only 2 lollipops, and my friend is having how many lollipops? Will you be able to count? Come on, count. One, I am having two. Yes, no, one and two. And my friend is having, let us count. One, two, three, four, and 5 lollipops. My friend is having. So now, you know Kathy's problem. He likes to eat bigger and bigger number. Only to that number he will open his mouth. So I am having only 2 lollipops. So will you open your mouth towards 2 lollipops? He is saying, no, I will not open. Then where he will open his mouth? Oh my, see, he is eating 5 lollipops. So he will open his mouth to bigger numbers. Yes, yes, dear children. So now he will eat. See, he is eating all 5 lollipops. You can see. So, children, you know this sign now? This sign is bigger than, greater than. I will show you. Okay, now see. This sign, the where the crocodile will open the mouth, this sign is greater than. See, where when the crocodile is opening his mouth, see the shape of this sign. Yes, two sides are here. Yes, he's opening his mouth. So it is similar to this shape. So this is the sign of greater than. Yes, and here this sign is called less than. Suppose I will hold my Kathy in my other hand, and I will show how is this sign. Now see, now see. Now he will open, more lollipops is here, suppose. So he will open his mouth towards more lollipops, and this side he will not open. So this is called less than sign. Here only one angle. So this here it is called less than sign. And suppose I am having in my hand 2 lollipops, and my friend is having, she is also having 2 lollipops. So both lollipops are same, equal number of numbers. So this cat, is very smart. He will not open his mouth at all. He will keep his mouth like this only. See, you all can see. Yes. So, you know which is the sign when both the numbers are same. Here also 2 lollipops. My friend is also having 2 lollipops. Then this cat, he will not open his mouth. Yes. Then what he will do? He will just keep his mouth as it is. So that time we use which sign, children? This is the sign of is equal to. When two numbers are same, Kathy will not open. So this sign is equal to. Okay, children? Do you understand? Okay. So now, Kathy, you come afterwards, after some time. We will call Kathy afterwards. Bye. Okay. Now, children, now I will show you some number cards to you. Okay. So, did you enjoy this Kathy story? Okay. So, Kathy will remain with us. Okay. We will call him one more time at the end of our session. Now, see, here I am having number card, and I have written two numbers on it, number 5 and number 9. Now both are single digit numbers. Yes, children, you all are very smart, very good children. So when the numbers are one digit numbers, that time it is very easy to compare. Yes, no, the number which will come first in the number grid is the smaller number, and 5 comes afterwards in the number grid. So here, among these two pair of numbers, 5 and 9, which is the bigger one? Where Kathy will open his mouth? Yes, you all are correct. Kathy will open his mouth towards which number? 9. So, 5, 5 is less than 9, or children, you can also say that 9 is bigger than 5. Okay, children. Now, this is about one digit number. Now, let us take one more example. See, I am having two more numbers here. Which number are they? Yes, this is number 9. Correct. And this is number 84. Yes, good, very good. Now, here 9 is single digit number. Yes. And 84 is two-digit number. Yes, very good, children. Now you all know about place. Yes, no, now. So 9 is at units place. And this 84, 84 is at which place? 8 is at tens place. And 4 is at units place. Okay, dear children. So here 9 and 84. So one single digit number and one two digit number is there. At this time, children, you know, single digit number is always smaller number and two digit number is always bigger number. So here, among 9 and 84, which is the bigger number? Yes, you are correct. 84, 84. So my Kathy will open his mouth towards the number 84. Yes, no? So 84 is bigger than 9, or you can say 9 is smaller than 84. Yes. Now, we will take one more example. Okay, children. Now, here, both are two-digit numbers. Yes, no? You can read the numbers. Yes, this is number 35. Very good. And this is 26. Okay, so let us compare. Now here, first let us decide the place. Now here, 5 is at which place? Good. At units place. And 3 is at which place? Tens place. So here also we will mark the same thing. 6 is at unit place and 2 is at tens place. Now here, how to compare? Come on, tell me. Now, when you always compare numbers, children, you should start from the leftmost side numbers. Now, see, now here 3 is at tens place and here 2 is at tens place. So, you will just compare between the digits which are at tens place. So, here 3 and here 2. So, which is the bigger number? Come on, tell me. Yes, correct. When you compare between 3 and 2, yes, 3. 3 is the bigger number. So, which is the bigger number? Yes, 35. So, my Kathy will open his mouth towards 35. So, 35 is bigger than 26, or you can say 26 is smaller than 35. Okay, now I am having two more numbers. They're waiting for you. You know which are they now? These numbers are 63 and 67. Both are two-digit number. But you know what is problem? Here is some problem. Yes, both the numbers they are starting with the same digit. Yes, children, you are very observant. Very good. See, here also 63. Here 67. So here 3 is at unit place. 6 is at tens place. Here 7 is at units place. 6 is at tens place. Now as I told you before, you have to compare between the digits which are at tens place. But here children, see, here also 6 is at tens place, here also 6 is at tens place. So in this situation, what to do? Come on, think. Yes, we are having more numbers at units place. Yes, children, we are having 3 is at units place and 7 is at units place. So when the digits at tens place are same, then at this time you should compare between the digits which are at units place. Good children. So here 3, here 7. So which is the bigger one? Tell me. Come on, I know. You always, yes, 67. Yes. Very good. See, somebody gave me the answer. Good child. All are very brilliant children. So here 67 is the bigger number. So here you can say 63 is smaller than 67 or 67 is bigger than 63. Okay, children. Now let us move ahead. Now you are in third standard. So we have learned numbers up to 999. Almost all three-digit numbers we have learned. So today I am going to teach you comparison of these three-digit numbers. Now come on, read these two numbers which I have written on my number card. Yes, this number is 120 and this number is 556. Okay, so let us mark their places. Now here 0 is at units place. Here 2 is at tens place and 1 is at which place? Yes, good. It is at hundreds place. So here also we will mark the place. 6 is at units place. Good. 5 is at tens place and this 5 is at hundreds place. Okay. So both are three-digit numbers 120 and 556. So here 1 is at hundreds place, 2 is at tens place, 0 is at units place. In this number 5 is at hundreds place, 5 is at tens place and 6 is at units place. So among these two numbers, when you compare between three-digit number children, you should always start from the leftmost side number. So here towards left I am having which number? At hundreds place 1. I will underline that number. Let us underline this one and I will underline here 5 because 5 is at hundreds place and here 1 is at hundreds place. Can you see now underline digits? Yes. So among this 1 and 5, you will not look at other numbers. You will just see the digits at hundreds place. Yes. So here 1 and 5, which is the bigger one? Yes, 500. So automatically 556 is the bigger number. So my Kathy will surely open his mouth towards 556. So here 556 is bigger than 120 or you can say 120 is smaller than 556. Okay, dear children, shall we move ahead? Okay. Now here I am having one more pair of numbers. Now which two numbers I have written on my number card? Come on, read. Yes, this number is 450 and this number is correct. This number is 435. So here again the same problem. Now let us mark the places first. Okay, it is at units place. 5 is at tens place and 4 is at hundreds place. Now here also 5 is at units place, 3 is at tens place and 4 is at hundreds place. Okay. Now but here if you will observe this number carefully, I told you in the previous pair of numbers that you have to underline the first digits which are at hundreds place. But here is one problem, children. Here if you will read this number 400 and here also 400. So now what to do? Tell me, come on, think. Yes, we are having next number. Yes, we are having here numbers at tens place. So here 5 is at tens place and here 3 is at tens place. So let us underline them. Let us underline. Okay, so here we will underline 5 and here I will underline 3. So let us compare between these numbers. Now why we are comparing between tens? Because digits at hundreds place are same. So let us compare between the digits which are at tens place. So here 5 and here 3. Now tell me, now it is very easy for you. Yes, correct children. So here 5 is greater than 3. So ultimately the number 450 is bigger than 435. So let us show our comparison. So my Kathy will open his mouth towards this bigger number, that is 450. So 450 is bigger than 435. Or children, you can say 435 is smaller than 450. Okay. Now let us move ahead, children. Now here I am having another number card. And here which two numbers I have written on this number card? Come on, read. Yes, I have written two numbers. Here which number is this? Read. Come on. Yes, very good. 896. And which number is here? 898. Very good. Very good. So here, first what we will do? Come on, you only tell me. Yes, we will mark their places. So we will mark their places. So we will start with which units? Then we will mark tens and then hundreds. Okay. Same thing we will do here. Units, tens and hundreds. Okay. Now let us, this number is 896, 898. Now you will tell me, teacher, now we will compare between hundreds, but hundreds digits are same. Here also 8, here also 8. So what we will do? We will go to tens place. But tens place again you can see here also 9, here also 9. Yes. So now what to do? You tell me. Come on, think. Yes, very good children. Now we will go to next number, next digit, which is at which place? Yes, correct. Units place. So here which number is at units place? Come on, tell me. 6. And here which number is at units place? 8. So let us underline. Let us underline 6 and let us underline 8. Now it will be easy for you to compare numbers. Yes, so here 6 and here I have underlined 8. So which is the smaller? Tell me smaller. Which is the smaller? 6. Yes, so 896 is the smaller than 898. So my Kathy will open mouth towards this number because he likes only bigger and bigger numbers. So here among these two numbers, 896 is smaller than 898. Or children, you can say 898 is bigger than 896. Okay, children. Now we will practice more and more, but there is one more pair of numbers waiting for you. Now here I have written two numbers. Which two numbers I have written? Come on, tell me. Here it is 3-digit number and here it is 1-digit number. Okay, so let us mark here. Do we have to mark? It is very easy, as I told you before also. Yes, one-digit numbers, they are always smaller than two-digit numbers and three-digit numbers. So it is very easy to compare between these two numbers. So among 346 and 4, which is the smaller one? Yes, 4. Why? Why it is smaller? Because it is a one-digit number. And which is the bigger one? Yes, bigger one is 346 because it is a three-digit number. So three-digit number is always bigger than one-digit number. So let us mark now. Here, my cat, he will open his mouth towards the number 346. So 346 is bigger than 4, or you can say 4 is smaller than 346. Okay, dear children? Okay. So did you understand? Yes, how to compare between the numbers? Okay. Now, I will show my I will share my screen and I will show my PPT to you. Okay, you all are ready, and then we will practice more and more sums. Okay. So all are very good children. Now I am sharing my screen. Yes. Now I will show my PPT to you. So here, see. Yes. Yes, what is the topic? Smaller and bigger numbers. Smaller and bigger numbers. Now here what you can see, children? Sign or symbol. Now using the symbols. Now see, here you can see 5 flowers are there and 2 flowers are there. So 5 is bigger than 2. And another side, what they have shown? 2 is smaller than 5, and downside they have shown our Kathy's picture. See, our Kathy's, come here. Yes, so two pair of numbers are there, 27 and 40, and so 27 and 40. So which is the bigger number? Yes, 27 is smaller and 40 is bigger. So Kathy is opening his mouth towards 40. Yes, no? So 27 is less than 40, or you can say 40 is bigger than 27. Now another number is there, 91 and 49. So here, which is the bigger one where Kathy is opening his mouth? Towards which number? Come on, tell me. Yes. Now here also you will compare between the numbers which are at tens place. So 9 and 4. Now here 9 is at tens place and 49. 4 is at tens place. So yes, 91 is the bigger number. So 91 is greater than 49. Okay, or you can read as 49 is smaller than 91. Okay, now these are single digit and two digit numbers. Okay, now let us go ahead. Now here I have written two numbers, 5 and, come on, read the numbers, 5 and 75. So if one number is one digit and the other is two digit number, then one digit number is smaller than two digit number. Yes, no, I told you, no, children. So here among 5 and 75, 5 is smaller number and 75 is bigger number. Yes, let us move ahead now. Now see, here I have written two digit numbers. Read the first number, 35, which is the second number, 22. Correct. Now let us read what teacher has written. If both numbers are two digit numbers, then we should compare the digits at tens place. I told you, children. Now here 35 and 22. Tell me the numbers at tens place. Yes, 3 and 2. So among 3 and 2, which is the bigger one? 3. Yes, so 35 is the bigger number and 22 is smaller. So 35 is greater than 22, or you can say 22 is smaller than 35. Okay. Let us go ahead. Now, which numbers are waiting for us? Yes. Can you read? Yes, 83 and 89. So here, come on, tell me what is special quality of these numbers? Yes, you are correct. Correct. All are very observant. The numbers at tens place are same. So I have told you, if the digits at tens place are same, then you should compare the digits at units place. Good children. Very sharp memory you all are having. So here 3 and 9, which is the 3 is at units place and 9 is at units place. So which is the bigger one? Come on. Yes, very good. 9. So 89 is bigger than 83, or you can say 83 is smaller than 89. Okay. Okay. Now let us move ahead, children. Okay, Bapre, here now one three-digit number and one two-digit number. Yes. Can you read that three-digit number? Yes, 574 and 23. So if one two-digit number and the other number is three-digit, then what happens, children? What you have to do? Then a three-digit number is always bigger than a two-digit number. Good, good. So here, among 574 and 23, which is the bigger one? 574. Why? Why? Because it is a three-digit number. And why 23 is smaller? Because it is a two-digit number. Very good, children. Now, here three-digit numbers are through two three-digit numbers are there. Which are they? Read. Come on, read the numbers. Yes, 643 and 198. So here what you have to do? What teacher has written? Just read. Yes. If both numbers are three digits, then what you have three-digit number? Then you should compare the digits at which place? Hundreds place. Very good. So here which digits are at hundred place? Come on, you tell me. Come on, every time I will not tell you. Come on, yes, very good. 6 is at hundreds place and here 1 is at hundreds place. So which is the bigger number? 643. And which is the smaller number? Yes, 198. So 643 is bigger or greater than 198, or you can say 198 is smaller or lesser than 643. Now let us go ahead. Now we are having two numbers. Which numbers are they? Come on, read. Yes, 759 and 720. So if the digits at hundreds place are same, here see both the numbers are starting with same digits, 7 and 7. So at this time what we should do? We should compare between the digits at tens place. So tens place we are having 5 and here tens place we are having 2. So ultimately which is the greater number? 500 and 500 or 700? 759 is bigger than 720. Yes, or you can say 720 is smaller than 759. Good children. Now let us go ahead. Here we are having two numbers. Come on, read the numbers. Come on, 670. Good. And the other number is 675. Now here again same problem. What it is? Both the numbers are starting with same digit 6. And at tens place also same digits are there. Okay. So at this time what we should do? If the digits at hundreds place and tens place are same, then compare between the digits at units place. So units place, which two digits are there? 0 and 5. So which is the bigger one? 5. Correct. Correct. So 675 is bigger than or greater than 670, or you can say, children, 670 is lesser than or smaller than 675. Okay. Now here, Kapre, here two numbers are there. One number is 900 and the other number is 9. So 900 is single digit, two digit or three digit? Yes, three digit. And 9 is one digit number. So what you have to do? You have to compare between three digit number and one digit number. Then what you have to do? Then always one digit number is smaller, as I told you. Yes, so 9 is smaller than 900 because it is a one digit number, and 900 is bigger because it is a three digit number. So here 900 is bigger or greater than 9, or 9 is lesser or smaller than 900. Okay, children. Thank you. Now, now let us practice more and more sums. Now I have written some pair of numbers on my board. Okay. Now let us read. Now I will give A, B, C to it. Will you wait for some time? I will adjust my camera, children. Okay. 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 Thank you for your cooperation. Very nicely you all were sitting when I was adjusting my board. Now you will be able to see my board clearly. Okay. Now see, I have written some numbers here. Yes, some pair of numbers. Let us give numbers to it. A, B and C. I have written three numbers of pairs. Okay. So here, as I told you that my friend Kathy will come to meet you again. So he has kept his promise. My Kathy is again with you. Yes, no, he's there. So he's come to eat the bigger and bigger numbers. You all ready, children? So here I will just highlight. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So read the first pair of numbers. Yes, yes, very good. 564 and 879. So here, come on, you tell me which is the bigger one. Come on. First, let us mark the numbers. Here it is at units place, tens place, and hundreds place. Here also units place, tens place, and hundreds place. So what we will do? Yes, we will compare between the digits which are at hundreds place. So here 5 and here 7. So which is the bigger one? Now my Kathy is eagerly waiting to eat the bigger number. So where Kathy will open his mouth? He will open his mouth towards 5, or he will open his mouth towards 7. Where he will open? Come on, tell me. He's confused. He's confused. Yes, very good. He will open his mouth towards bigger and bigger number. So 789 is the bigger number. Yes, so my Kathy will open his mouth towards 789 is bigger than 564. Now let us take one more example. I have already written. Now here 123 and read this number. Come on children. 116. So here if you look at these numbers, the digit, let us mark their places. But already I have marked here. So same. 3 is at units place, 2 is at tens place, and 1 is at hundreds place. Here also 6 is at units place, 1 is at tens place, and 1 is at hundreds place. So here 1 is at hundreds place, here 1 is at hundreds place. So at this time what we should do? Yes, we should mark the numbers which are at tens place. So tens place 2 is there and here tens place 1 is there. So I will circle around. So here among 2 and 1, which is the bigger one? Now again my Kathy is there. Come on Kathy, tell me, which is the bigger one? 2 or 1? Where? Which number you will eat? Come on. Yes, children help my Kathy. Yes, he will open his mouth towards 2. Yes, no? So 123 is bigger than 116. Yes, no? And 116 is smaller than 126. Okay, children. Now let us go to one more number, 787, and read this number, 781. So here again 7 is at units, 8 is at tens place, 7 is at hundreds place, and here also, here 1 is at units place, 8 is at tens place, and 7 is at hundreds place. So first we will underline the numbers at hundreds place. Here also 7, here also 7. Oh my God, then what to do? Okay, we will go to tens place. Here also 8, here also 8. So now ultimately which is the last digit we have to compare? Yes, units place. So units place, which number is there? 7 and 1. So here 7 and here 1. So among these 7 and 1, which is the bigger one? Come on, Kathy. Now it's your turn to open your mouth. Come on, are you ready? So where you will open your mouth? Towards say 8, 1 or towards 7? Where? Come on. Kathy is confused. He's thinking. Yes, you tell me children. Kathy will open his mouth towards this. 787 is bigger than 781. Okay, children. Children, now, see, just give me one more minute. I will write another pair of numbers on my board. Here, suppose I am writing 565 and here I am writing 565. Now here, see, you both the numbers are same. Yes, very smart children. But let us see how to compare. Now here, let us mark their places. 5 is at units place. 5 is 6 is at tens place. 5 is at hundreds place. Here also 5 is at units place. 6 is at tens place and 5 is at hundreds place. So let us compare. Here 5, here also 5. So no comparison. Here 6 and here also tens place 6. No comparison. And units place also 5 and this units place also 5. Baap re. So what to do? Kathy, come on. Kathy, now both the numbers are same. So what my friend Kathy will do? Where he will open his mouth? He will not open his mouth. He will keep his mouth as it is. Yes, no, Kathy? He can't compare because both numbers are same. So which sign he will use? Kathy will use which sign? Yes, children, very smart. I told you. Kathy will use is equal to sign. Correct, because both numbers are same. So my Kathy will not open his mouth towards any number. My Kathy will keep his mouth as it is. Yes, no, he will not open, and that is called is equal. See, is equal. Here also straight line, here also straight line. So this sign is called is equal to sign. So both the numbers are same. There is no comparison. 565 is equal to 565. Yes, no children? You want me to take one more example of it? Yes, we will take. Now see. Here you tell me number. Come on, every time I am only telling. You tell me any number. Come on. Come on. Yes. 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 980. 80. Okay. And here also I will write 980. Okay. Let us mark the places. Units, tens and hundreds. Here also units, tens and hundreds. So here among these two numbers, here also 9, here also 9, here 8, here 8, here also 0, here also 0. So no comparison. So again my Kathy will not open his mouth. He will not, because no number is bigger and no number is smaller. Both the numbers are same. So he will not open his mouth towards any number. So how he will compare? This is both the numbers are equal. So this is equal to sign. Yes, no? Yes, no, Kathy? Kathy is also become very smart. So 980 and this 980, both numbers are same, and this sign is called is equal to sign. Okay? Okay, dear children. So I hope you all understand. Yes, so anybody has any doubt, you can ask. Yes, if you have any doubt regarding comparison of numbers, you can ask. Okay? Okay. Now I will give you homework also. I will give you homework that you are going to solve maths textbook page number. This comparison, it is there. Our English textbook page number 12 and 13. Solve textbook page number 12 and 13 in text itself. You will solve it in text itself. Okay. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a good day. Thank you. Yes. Sir, my lesson is over, huh? Yes. Hello.